video we observed different ways of single point tool, means method of manufacturing, method of holding tool, method of using tool, and method of applying feed. From that we will see method of manufacturing tool, how tool is manufactured. Among that, three different heads we have: forged tool, brushed tip tool, mechanically fastened tool. First one we'll see. First one is forged tool. Now what is forged tool? Here we can observe forged tool. This one generally used, it is forged tool. How the tool is? Now in this way a straight rectangular bar is there. That bar, by grinding, it is converted into a tool. This total, it is called as tool bit. This upper part is face, the bottom one is base, and here if you observe, here the tapered part is, that is called nose. This edge is cutting angle. You may ask, what is forge? Forging means heating and hammering on the metal to get proper shape. It is called forging. Second one is brushed tip tool. In brushed tool, carbide tip is brushed on a mild steel material. Now here we can see, this is brushed tip tool. This complete part, this is mild steel, but on this mild steel, carbide tip, this triangular part you can observe, this triangular part is carbide. This carbide tip is brushed and fixed on mild steel. So it is brushed tip tool. Carbide tip is brushed over here. Hardness of carbide is more than high speed steel. This is high speed steel, forged tool. Carbide tip has more hardness. It cuts material smoothly, but it is little costly than high speed steel. This is brushed tip tool. And third one we have mechanically fastened tool. Means in a tool holder, tool is clamped. Now for example, here we can observe in the figure, this is tool holder. In tool holder, tool is fixed. This is second number one is over here, tool is fixed in that, and with the help of nut at the top, tool is fixed in it. This is mechanically fastened tool. Because of this, to set the center is easy. That's why mechanically fastened tool is used. In this way, forged tool, brushed tip tool, and mechanically fastened tool. Three kind of tools are available in method of manufacturing tool. The second one we are going to see is method of holding tool. In method of holding tool, two different heads are there: solid tool and tool bit inserted in a tool holder. Solid tool and tool bit inserted in a tool holder. Now this is solid tool. This complete material is made of high speed steel. It is solid tool. The cost of tool is less compared with carbide tool. This is forged tool. Means first the material is heated and by hammering on it, proper shape is given to it. It is forged tool. After giving proper shape, it has given proper cutting angles. Here one angle, this is third angle, and this is second angle. In this way, three angles generally given to it: top rake angle, This is clearance angle and this is cutting angle. In this way, 3 angles are given to this and made a tool. It is solid tool. Next one is tool bit inserted in the tool holder. Now here in the sketch you can observe this part is tool bit. It is inserted in a tool holder. This is tool bit. Means for example, this tool bit only inserted in the tool holder and set according to need. Because of this, setting of tool is easy. Its cost is also less. Center is adjusted easily. So if we insert tool in a tool holder, it is called tool bit inserted in a tool holder. So in that way we can hold tool. The next one, it is method of using tool. Method of using tool we'll see in our next video.